This video is intended for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal activities. Any action taken based on the information in this video are solely at your own risk. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing systems or networks that do not belong to you. The information in this video should be used responsibly and ethically.
So in this video, we are going to unbox our Kiisu Development Board. Over here, you can see all the functionalities offered by this board, which is sub-gigahertz, NFC, RFID, IR, which is infrared, Bluetooth, and even this board is compatible with Flipper Zero firmware, which we will install. So we can directly use QFlipper app on this board to install the firmware. So my point over here, you can see over different devices as well. Over here you can see Flipper Zero as well. So all of these devices work on different frequencies, different technologies like sub-gigahertz, NFC, RFID, which I have just said. So the difference between these devices is, and the edge of this Flipper Zero is really on NFC. So all the other devices over here, you can see TEmbed as well. Even TEmbed has built-in ESP32, so it can work directly without using any module on Wi-Fi as well. So there is a difference between NFC and RFID, which I have covered in my other video, which you can see. So Flipper Zero has an edge in NFC, which these devices don't. So we will see that if a Kiisu board also offers the same edge of NFC, we will see that in our coming video. So let me just open this board and see what are the things available in this box. So first of all, we have this card on which everything is written, like sub-gigahertz, I button, GPIOs. So this board also offers same GPIO pins as Flipper Zero. So this is 3D printed. These are some stickers, and this is the actual board. Kiisu, let me just focus. Kiisu version 4B. So we will see that board in action in our coming videos. So let me just see if anything else. There is nothing else in it. So we will see this board in action in our coming videos, and we will install the firmware of Flipper Zero in this board and see the board in action.